Okay, in this video I'm going to do an example problem on traveling waves. Well, this is just a wave that is plotted. It says here the horizontal axis in the figure below is in milliseconds. So here we have a wave and we're given a plot of the wave and we're asked to find the period and the frequency. And so in this problem, the horizontal axis is in milliseconds, so we have the wave plotted as a function of time in milliseconds. And you can see that the time axis goes from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, up to 35 milliseconds. And here, to calculate the period of this signal, what we're going to do is we're going to find the amount of time for one complete cycle. And here's how I would draw a picture of the period. Alternatively, I can look at a complete cycle here. And you can see, hey, this is nice. This is an easy problem because one complete cycle goes exactly from 0 milliseconds to 15 milliseconds. And so by inspection, we have the period t. Well, let me write it down as 15 milliseconds per one cycle. And this is going to give us 15 milliseconds for our period. Okay? Part B says, what is the frequency of this signal? And the frequency is given as 1 over the period. And so we have 1 over, and I'm going to go ahead and immediately convert the milliseconds into seconds before I plug into this equation. 15 times 10 to the minus third seconds. Okay? And by converting into seconds before I plug into this equation, I'm assured that my frequency comes out in hertz. If I need to convert it to kilohertz later, I can do that after I'm done with the calculation. 1/15th is, let's see, 1/15th is 0.0667, right? And so here I've taken 1/15th, and now I take 10 to the minus 3 in the denominator, and that is times 10 to the third in the numerator. And this gives us 66.7 hertz. And let's do a sanity check on this. 66.7 hertz means 66.7 periods in 1 second. And if we look back at the plot here, we can see that in, so it's somewhere between 50 and 100 hertz. And 100 hertz would be 1 period every 10 milliseconds. And so, yeah, we've had one period in 15 milliseconds. It's about 10 milliseconds. So this answer makes sense. And so this is how you do this problem. Okay. Hope this helps.